kasi yung pat.
Pat.
Oh, ayusin lang.
Galing naman.
Ano yung sa minsan? Papaya. Try mo papaya. Hindi ko
Papaya.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Lamp. Tap.
Kitten.
Kitten.
Plant.
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 Ano yung sa boat?
Boat.
Ayos.
Table.
Table.
Crab.
Crab.
Try mo yung sabihin yung ngayon.
Ngayon.
Pangalan.
Pangalan.
Kangkong.
Kangkong.
Ulit mo nga yung page.
Page.
Isa pa nga, yung mabaga lang. A, B,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, F,
S, F.
Try mo nga F.
F.
Oh.
Ay, oo nga pala. Pati mo na. Para sa
800 years ago, when my tatay was a college freshman, I wrote a column singing the praises of English. We were suddenly corresponding. It was I decided to invent a field on electronics called Resume. Based on the book and the copy, we discovering the lost art of writing letters. How literary shall
Double E yung coffee na. Oo. Ito ba yung pangalawa?
Now, I'm not sure, like all new media, email has a dark side. To be sure, it saves a great deal of time and patience and has facilitated unimagined ones of opportunities. However, email is also a tip. It steals our time and our privacy. It deceives us into thinking we have endless additional hours in the day to engage in particular communication that we may or may not need or want.
Number 3.
All of a sudden, on top of everything else we have to do, email is one more garden demanding candidate.
Tapos age naman tayo.
4.
Email brings a kind of super urgency that demands an instant response. It creates false intimacies. Recently, I got an email message from a perfect stranger. A student who had read one of my artist tales and wanted help on a term paper. I was touched, but alas, there aren't enough hours in the day, yet something about the message made me feel. I needed to apologize for not being able to do her homework. With email, it's easy to hit the reply key. With results, you may regret one thinking he was just responding to a note from a close friend, accidentally sent a highly personal message to the friend's
Ikaw lagi kang magagamit mo.
This mishap could not have occurred either by phone or by ordinary mail. When talking to someone, you pay attention to tonality. And when you write a letter, you read it over a few times before sending it. But email is tone deep and tone deaf and all too instant. It is ephemeral, yet irrevocable. Once you bang out your message and send it into the ether, either you cannot take it back.
Kulang ng ay.
Email is a great
Convenience.
for the sender. The recipient is pressured to have infinite time and interest. It is equivalent to endless Christmas letters from boring distant relatives or humor.
Number 8.
Bosses get in the habit of sending down incessant email messages going on high as if anyone cared. Now hear this. A large corporation with which I am vaguely affiliated sends me more messages that I could possibly want to have, let alone answer.
Number 9.
Email is also not secure. The the magazine that I edit regularly gets highly personal missives sent by mistakes. Mistake to the wrong email address thanks to a typo. With the point you know as soon as you have a wrong number and misaddressed letters either get returned or end up in the dead letter office. At one company, two people carrying on an affair were in the coach's league, sending each other intimate email which a supervisor discovered. To make matters worse, they were making snide comments about the supervisor's security escorted from the premises. Email is also easily forwarded and deliberately or mistakenly put into mass circulation. Don't email anything private unless you are prepared to see it crop up all over the World Wide Web. Email like talk radio reduces inhibitions. It is democratic to the point of moronic. And I'm not even cutting to mass junk email known as big as fuck.
A.
Ay, alam niyo, ang tunog ng B.
Bak.
Oo,
C. Letter C.
Ka.
K. K.
Ka.
K. D.
Da.
D. 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 E. Letter E.
E.
F. F.
F.
Ang hirap na pala F.
Ay, mahirap to. Mahirapan siya.
Kahit ako nahihirapan eh. G.
G.
Okay siya sa G.
May diin pa rin. G.
H yung mahirap.
H. Parang parang bubo ka ng hindi na gano'n.
Ha.
H. I.
E.
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 J.
J. J. J.
J.
J. J. J. Ganyan nga.
Turuan na rin natin si Sir.
J na pala yun.
K.
K. Paano K?
Pagluluwa.
L. L.
M. Try mo ulit M.
N.
Okay yung N niya?
Oo. Tapos mga
Oo, yun pala. M.
ang M. Ganda tanghali po. M. N. Sige ulit. Ay, N. N.
N.
N.
Saan yung tulog ng N?
N.
Parang yan. Ano, kailangan parang magkandikit yung salita. Ano sa O.
Ang P ang
Ang
singaw.
pass, yung ano parang hangin lang. Yan, yan. Yan.
Q.
Ang Q. Ko. Kwa. Kwa ba? Kwa.
R. Ayan na.
Yan, R.
Ano naman si Ma'am Jenny?
Ay, Bubulong sa R.
S-I.
Ay, yung S. F talaga.
Sigaw lang talaga sa S. Pero kaya na.
Kasi ba nga, T.
Parang
Ano yan?
U.
Ano yun, di ba? Alin?
Ganun din yun.
Kala ko, ako din. Kala ko, Yung sa ano?
Sabi ko
Yan,
yan.
Hindi,
parang
pa lang
ano,
A na din siya.
Ang B. Try mo B. Medyo hirap.
May mga ano.
Parang nagbabibrate lang yan.
Ganyan nga.
Okay, oo.
Medyo hirap.
Already ko na
Double D. Double D. Kaya na. Ano may double
Paano
D?
double D?
Wow.
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 Kaya, hindi. Madali lang yan.
X. Ay, hindi. Hindi ganun. Ganun.
Pero no. Initial B.
Base. Y ba?
Paano ito naman lang?
Yeah. Ang letter Z, parang may vibration na yun.
Huwag lang lang B.
Ano niya? Wala na
N
yun. Alam mo yung
Yung bravo. Yun, bravo. Medial B.
Bravo.
Medial B.
Base. Pwede na.
Base. Yung final. Pabasa ka na sa F.
Patawag ko sa kanya.
Sige,
mo lang
ako dito.
talaga.
Pero hindi ko...
Ito ang mga nakasulat.
Papakita yung mukha. Ito na babasahin.
Fish.
Fish.
Salad.
S-H. S-H.
Coffee.
Okay.
Ito.
Stop. Stop.
Yung hihirapan na siya. Yung letter F, lagyan mo na singaw sa dulo.
Stop.
Stop.
Yan.
Hirap kasi ang F mo.
Ito.
Hungry.
Hungry.
Short. Love. Sorry. Scissor. Cross.
Ito.
Train. Google. Love. Wings. Bravo. Love.
Oh,
Sa F.
sa S. S at F yung
S,
pinaka ano
H.
niya. S-H. F at saka S.
Shawl. Shoe.
Ayun yun. Napaka-alisin natin.
Shawl.
S.
Tayo mo nga ulit.
Hindi mo siya mga ano kasi sa ngipin yata.
Ikaw
Try mo lang pagdikit yung ganun lang, nakadikit.
Yan. Pag okay naman yung sound production niya, kaso nga lang pag may kasama ng ibang mga letters.
Letters.
With mga letters.
Letters.
Oh, okay pala. Gets ko na. Nahihirapan siya sa initial S.
Oo.
Sabi niya, di sa kanina, no? Tapos sa short. Ano pang nag-start sa letter S na ano? S.
Shell.
Ay, mahirap yan. Shell.
Shell.
Kaya na yung iba,
Sound.
depende sa ano.
Sound.
Sapatos.
Sapatos. Shoes. Shoes.
Lahat na nitry mo.
Meron lang sa jump words sa ano, baka depende sa sunod na vowel
Baka.
ng SH. Gusto ko na.
Ano ba yung kanina?
Yung nahihirapan siya kanina sa ano eh. Fish ano? Fish?
Oo. Pati stuff.
Kasi yung letter F na F. Tapos
Tapos
pag pinagsama pa yung F. Tapos SH. Fish.
Oo. Fish. Mahirap na. Pati sa dulo ng F.
Kasi
Yung
letter
stuff.
F yung. Paano natin ayusin yung F? Practice
Mga
lang ng practice lagi, no?
Lagi. Parang yun, singaw mo lang. Yung ngipin mo ba
Mga
ilagay?
ganda.
Ilagay mo sa, ilan sa, dito.
Ilaban
Iba
mo
mo
yung
labi, yung labi.
Yung ngipin sa taas, lalapat mo dito. Yan!
Yan, sa parabi.
Parang hinahangin.
Yan, ganun. Parang lalabas ka ng hangin lagi.
Ano pang words na nag-start sa F?
Fly.
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 Fly mo nga. Fly.
Fly.
Flat.
Fly.
Flat.
F.
Yung ano
Ano
yung
sabi mo? Flat?
flat. Happy pala yun. Happy ba yun?
Hindi, nagsasabi mo kanina.
Flat.
Akala ko sabi mo flat, kaya niya nagaya. Sadya ba?
Flat. Flat.
Flat.
Flat.
Pag magsasabi ka ng F ng simula, isingaw mo lagi yung
Hmm.
flat.
Flowers.
Try nga. May
Flowers.
hirapan talaga siya.
Parang singaw mo lang.
Hirap kasi yung sandang F. F.
Ako sa ano, R.
Flower.
Flat.
Flower.
Pag sabihin mo, isingaw mo. Flower.
flower,
Craft.
craft,
Minecraft. Craft.
Minecraft.
Minecraft,
Pag singaw lang, craft.
Isingaw mo lang ng isingaw yun eh.
Minecraft.
Craft mo siya.
craft,
Ayun! Parang hangin.
Try mo ba?
May hangin na lumalabas na.
flower,
Yan!
Yun.
Malapit yun.
Fly. Fly.
Fly.
Fly.
fly,
Fly.
Fly.
Ano ba ba?
What?
what,
Yun na,
Fun.
sumisigaw na, hindi na masyado marinig.
Fun.
fun,
Good. Faster.
Ang galing.
faster,
Ano, ang galing. Ang bilis niya ba ito?
Wait lang, ano pa? Flock. Ano yung word na flock? Frog.
Ayun, galing mo tanga.
Frog.
frog,
Frog.
Fig. Finger.
finger,
Nasingaw na. Singaw
Ah,
na
sa
konti.
F-I siya na yung hirapan.
Fig.
Pag I ang kasunod ng power.
Oo.
Wow.
Free.
free,
Free.
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 Ay, try yung fa, pe.
Eh,
Ano ka na pinahirapan
Pa,
ng
pe,
bata?
pi, fo, fu, nga, fa,
fa,
pe,
pe,
Pe.
pi,
pi,
fo,
fu,
fu. Yun. Fu. Fu.
Bo.
Oo nga.
Fu.
Fu.
Yun, ipapractice na nga ipapractice
Yung sa fu na yun yung ano, fa, pe, pi, fo, fe.
fa, pe, pi, fu, fu,
Mabagal lang.
Fa.
Pa.
Isa-isayin mo lang.
fa, pe, pi, fu, fu,
Parang yung ano, F niya naging ano, naging
P.
tatry mo lang lagi na parang susunod mo lagi.
Sisingaw mo lagi yung F.
Yung ganun lagi.
Fire.
fire,
Fire.
fire,
Shower.
Okay, try na natin yung shoes niya. Shower.
Ay, yung ano, yung product ng
Shoot.
Oo. Parang kaya ano yung mga
Uy, okay na yung kanina niya.
Ganun. Shower.
Shower.
shower,
Shoe.
shoot,
Shoe.
You know, shoe.
shoot,
Shoot.
shoot,
Shoot. Fish.
fish,
Fish.
Ah!
Ang huli ng is H.
Sa, oo.
Sa ending. Sa ending siya.
Crush.
rush,
Ano ba yan? Five.
Push. Mash. Mash.
mush,
Kaya nasa
Harsh.
harsh,
S-H.
sa bawala. Mash.
mush,
Mash.
mush,
Rush.
crush,
Push.
push,
Harsh.
harsh,
Harsh.
harsh,
Pass.
pass,
Mas.
mas,
Hirapan na siya dito. Sa dulo, ano? Nangyari. Sa bawala mo, paulit ko rin yung ano yun.
mas, crush, push, harsh, pass, mas,
Sa bawala mo.
mas, crush, push, harsh, pass, mas,
Yung sa numbers ba, ano? Kali numbers? Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
Tingnan na wala na. 21.
21. Use, copy, stop. Hungry, short, laugh. Sorry,
Wait, singaw mo yun. Laugh.
laugh. Sorry, scissor, cross, play, Google, mom, praise, bravo, love, mark, trash, for, harsh, pass, mas,
Mabe. Marsh. Marsh? Mash. Mash. Yan. Crush.
crush,
Push.
push,
Harsh.
harsh,
Pass.
pass,
Mas.
must,
Stop.
stop,
Stop.
stop,
Yan. Isa pa, itong laugh. Laugh.
Laugh.
Yan. Dapat nalagyan mo ng singaw.
love,
Yan.
Ang galing na.
Fish.
fish,
Parang parang madiglim yung, natin.
fish,
Fish. Fish.
fish,
Fish.
fish,
Coffee.
coffee,
Stuff.
stuff,
Yun. Ang galing na stuff. Hungry.
hungry,
Shark.
shark,
Laugh.
laugh, sorry, scissor, cross,
Cross.
cross,
Yan. Ito na pala.
gray, Google, mug, grace, bravo, love,
Galing.
Mash.
Mash. Parang singaw ulit.
Mash. crush, push,
Mm.
harsh, pass, must,
Ang galing. Ang gusto mong turuan na.
Dali na maaari ba na ano.
Tapuan ka, no?
Tapos na yung ano.
Anong tap mo?
Top 1, syempre. Ano pang ibang, iba pang word na, iba word na nahihirapan. Yung parang,
malalalim,
yung mga malalim po. Tulad na, rediscovery.
Mga ba kasi?
facilitated, ability,
Yan, recipient. Recipient.
recipient,
Mm.
incessant,
Incessant.
message,
Saan pa ba yun?
misaddress,
Misaddress.
Parang
Parang, lagyan mo din, parang tunog lang dito sa dulo. Misaddress.
misaddress,
Hindi,
misaddress,
yun, parang lagyan mo ng tunog dito sa dulo. Saan pa ba?
yan po,
Ito lang, dito ka lang na sa ito nga, rediscovery.
rediscovery,
Saan pa nga? Yung affinity.
affinity,
Ayan. Saan pa? Ito ba yung wala? Isang pasada ulit. Basahin ano na ito. Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa? Hindi na. Pahinga mo na. Pahinga mo na ito. Mga kami. Ano pa ba? Fresh. Ay, talaga mo na pa. Freshman.
fresh,
Fresh.
fresh,
Parang singawa. Fresh.
fresh,
Nagkang parang yung ngipin mo na lugar.
fresh,
Hindi.
fresh,
Kaya mo yung dali-dali.
freshman,
Fresh.
freshman,
Galing mo na. Freshman.
freshman,
Saan ka ba dito? Ganun mo siya mahirap. Magaling ka na magbasa eh. Bilis ka magbasa. Pwede yung mali na dito. Sa ano nahihirapan ka lang sa escalation siya ka dali. Ano? Ito ba ito? Tone deaf.
tone deaf,
Nangilig ka sa arts, ano? Hindi ka nangilig sa arts.
music,
Music. Ay, kaya pala. Ang galing.
happy birthday,
Ikaw ang tutulog yan, no? Wow. Uy, ka dito.
May backup dancer.
Backup dancer.
Isama kaya kita dito.
Ang galing.
Isang galing.
Mas basahin mo nga ito.
Hermes is a wonderful boy. He is good and behaved. His only flaw is that he likes to draw litter anywhere. Oftentimes, Hermes' mother lectures him. It is because Hermes usually throws newspaper on the floor of his room. Collect all your trash and throw them into the trash can. What is the trash can for when you don't use it?
Tapos magdala lang last page.
Even in school, Hermes' bad habit is thrown upon by his classmates. Mom, Hermes threw his trash in the corner. Lizzie is the best friend of Hermes. She constantly reminds him to stop his habit. Don't throw the candy wrapper on the street. Be responsible with your trash, lectured Lizzie. These trash are just little, and I do this so that the street cleaners would have something to clean, she retorted. Hermes continued with his bad habit. He does not care about where he throws his trash. The rainy season came. The rains were so heavy that Hermes' classmates were suspended. Classes were suspended. The rain is too heavy. If it continues, many streets would get flooded again, worried Hermes' mom. It rained and rained all day. Early the next morning, the front yard of Hermes' house was already flooded. The water was rising fast. Mom, the water is entering our house, Hermes shouted. They haven't finished packing their things yet, but the water was already waist deep. Not only Hermes and his parents experienced the scenario, but also their whole community. Hurry up, the roof is all their belongings were damaged by the flood. There are many reasons for the big flood. One of this is the mismanagement of garbage, which blocked the entry of water to the sewers. When small things like trash are banded together, will lead to a big problem. Now Hermes knows that it is his responsibility to throw trash into their proper place.
Ito mo na.
File, field, rug, off, with, tip, cuff, half, puff, shoe, shape, shine, shadow, fish, dish, push, split, splash, flush, when the dog in the wash, sick, 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 hit, nick, sick, lick, bricks, with picks and sticks.
Ang galing! Ito? Ang galing kaya na yung F. Kaya mo yung isin yung UF.
Offshore. Ayun, try mo na ang gaming.
Ito muna.
She saw seashells on the seashore.
Sunod.
She chooses cheese. She should chew and chooses choose that not her shirt. Shop, shop, chip, chip, shore, shore, shin, shin, shoes, shoes, chip, chip.
Yung mabagal nga, try ulit natin yung mabagal.
She saw seashells on the seashore. She chooses cheese. She should chew and chooses shoes that match her shirt. Shop, shop, chip, chip, short, short, chin, chin, shoe, shoes, chip, chip,
Ano ulit to? Ito to?
chooses.
Chooses. Pakali ko ulit chooses. Chooses. Okay na.
Okay.